this amount of snow. What's going on down here? Uh-oh, you're not stuck.
Oh, no, I'm just taking a break.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, busted off the edge with the ice.
Oh, brother. Oh, brother.
So now this is
Homestead reality. Oh, boy.
So now we got to see if Starry can...
Oh, boy. Now I have to get involved.
You got to pull this thing out.
Okay. Look at that. So, yeah, we got to unbury that. All right, so Starry's got to go help Mr. Hilder because we're buried. Oh, boy. This is real life footage, raw, on Starry Hilder's homestead. Okay, I better get up there and help him. This should be interesting. Stuff happens. The tractor wouldn't start, and it started, it was in full throttle, then it was stuck. Now Mr. Hilder is buried. Oh, and then he made a dent in look. He did that this morning. He's on a roll. He dented the car. Hilder's happy now, even though he dented the other Subaru and he's stuck.
They're like, well, oh, you seem irritated sometimes. Well, yeah, this ain't like some TV show where you're like doing a part. This is like real life. And I'm irritated. This is, it's frustrating at times. You try to be calm and you make the best of it, and that's what we're doing. But yeah, sometimes I get irritated.
You could see in his eyes.
And,
his eyes are irritated.
It's
not all fun and games.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's just put it that way.
And so then you'd be short too if you were not all love and snowflakes. Snowflakes. That's the new.
Yeah, love and snowflakes.
That's the new thing of America's snowflake. Lion and snowflake.
Okay, so we're gonna get on my Subaru and we're gonna get this tractor out. So this is gonna be good. Well, Mr. Hilder makes a good point. You know what? Part of being married is it's not all snow.
I'm gonna get in the tractor.
Okay.
And then you're not gonna yank or
right.
You're just gonna start slightly.
Okay. All right.
Give it a tug to see.
You want me to tug backwards, right? Okay, I got it. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know, backwards. I know that was a dumb question. I should know back. Sometimes Starry, do I tug backwards? Of course you tug backwards. I know that. Okay, so let's go, friends. Get it in reverse. Okay. My vehicle's not moving. This may not be as easy as it looks. That tractor is heavy. Wow. Okay, so look at this. This is as far as he got. We're not getting out. There's no getting out. This is incredible. All right, now I got to go back up. He said that going backwards isn't good. We need to go frontward. So, but. See, that's the thing about the Subaru. See, I made it up here, so that's a good thing.
We'll see how it works.
Okay, so Mr. Hilder said we're going to try to, I guess, I need to back up. He said I should have more power going downhill, backing out. But my problem is I can't turn my neck, so I can't see. Holy crap. Holy moly. Oh, did we get that on camera? The Subaru just pulled out a New Holland tractor. Woo! When things go good, they go good. Mr. Hilder's happy. Wow. Wow. Okay. He wants me to come up. Wow, that worked good.
I know everybody's probably thinking, what the hell is he doing?
That worked.
Yeah, pulling downhill and then the tractor spinning. It's like going to be out and pulling.
Yeah, wow.
Because trying to pull it forward through all that.
Yeah.
And I was already down. I was
see
off the edge of the ice in the hole.
We just hit the jackpot, boys.
Whatever you're going to do.
What do you think there, Mario? Huh? Oh, even they're getting some enjoyment out of this. So there we go. The Subaru pulls out the tractor. We got one more thing.